Hi, my name is Lucia Figueroa. I am 16 and I am from Mendoza, Argentina. I am talking about what sustainable development means to me. To start with, sustainable development is based on satisfying actual society's necessities without cost damage. But I think sustainable development is a way to live, something that has to be present in our lives, in each one of us, all the time. It doesn't matter if you are from a country or another, because on this issue, absolutely all of us can do something to help, to make it better. In addition, applying those methods, everybody wins, the earth wins. But why do we have to do this? To what end? Looking for the past events, since the Industrial Revolution, with the population growth and the increase in the use of energy, also the contamination has grown, and it has resulted on global warming and climate change. The impacts are reflected in the loss of biodiversity, in extreme events more and more frequent, like worms and high precipitations, in the emergence of new diseases, on glaciers retreat and ocean acidification. So now, talking about the climate change, the point is that we think that's a problem that will never affect us. That seems something far, but no, the climate change is here and now. It keeps growing more and more, and it affects us all equally. No matter your social condition, your economic condition, or your origin. No matter where do you live or who you are. We, the advanced 21st century humans, are destroying ourselves, for our planet, many times for economic interest. But if we don't have a planet, where will we develop all of those business? First, we have to think in the environment, and then in what could benefit us economically. Therefore, we have to learn about the past that has produced those phenomena and really make it change. How will we enjoy what each one likes if we don't have an environment that allows it? Because if we continue with these steps, the dystopic films where the earth appears ruined won't be so different of our reality. Probably you think that carry on a sustainable development is a very hard question, that only one person can do, or that's a government task, but no, it's easier than we imagine. For example, the forests are the mainly things that absorb pollution gases concentration, so we can plant a tree in our house, a small action that brings a lot. Argentina has always been related to these themes with actions like the Argentinian expedition to the North Pole for the climate change realized in 2016 with the object of raising awareness about this problematic, and with the Argentinian expedition to the South Pole. Instead of that, actually Argentina is performing mitigation projects based on rules of the Kyoto Protocol about the waste management and the energy generation from renewable sources. We can apply it in our lives, separating the garbage, being clean, reusing things, and not throwing waste in not appropriated places, as simple as it. Within the energy sector, we can install solar panels, but if they aren't at our reach, we can use electricity rationally and efficiently, saving energy, minimizing consumption, and taking care of the way we use the resources. This situation represents a great challenge to our society that can be overcome only from the strong conviction and commitment of all the sectors involved. So we'll have a better life. We are just an instant in time, but our influence is forever. Don't wait for the change. Be the change you want to see in the world. From Mendoza, Argentina, to the world.